I'm driving around in my car. I'm driving too fast and I'm driving too far. I'd like to change my point of view. I feel so lonely that I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happens. And then I wonder how, I wonder why.
Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky, and all that I can see is just a yellow lemon tree. Turning my head up and down, and turning around, and all that I can see is just another lemon tree.
So I have this pavilion response. Unchained melody, which means that I can no longer listen to it. If it comes on in the supermarket, I have to pretend to become really interested in the packaging of whatever I'm looking at, because I'm secretly having a very embarrassing cry.
Like I would listen to the song maybe 6 to 10 times in a sitting, trying to cry sing quietly enough for my flatmates not to hear.
Yeah, I know the song.
Yeah.
Okay, you go then. You sit in the chair.
Do you guys know it?
Yeah.
I know the song,
Can
but I don't know the video. I thought maybe if you guys knew it as well.
Yeah, you got the dreamer's disease kind of. Yeah. Do you want to sit here and tell your story then?
Well, that song, yeah, it does remind me of driving on I guess, yeah, just like one of those. You're not sure if it's a date, not sure if it's going out with a friend, and driving along, and nice moments throughout the day, and then driving back, trying to find good things to talk about, and in the end we ended up singing, and that song was the one that we both knew well and sang well. We did a really great job of singing that.
I associate this song also with driving around Berlin in a hired van, collecting various bits and pieces for a theatre project. A German, a Dutchman and a Kiwi singing at the top of our lungs with the sun shining.
Of course, this song has been overplayed so much by now, I can hardly listen to it. And I think in several years' time it will hold much more for me of 2011 and 2012.
You tell that one too. It's real short.
Okay, yeah. Okay, short story. This is about Queen's Another One Bites the Dust, because when I was little, me and my little sister would always have Friday night would be boppy night, so me and my parents and my little sister, we'd turn off all the lights, we'd get all, kitted out with happy clothes and whatnot, and we chill out to lots of good music and bounce around the room, push all the tables back, and Another One Bites the Dust was a big favourite. So, you got the stomping, you got the clapping, you got everything the kids want, and it's also the song that my mum wants us to play at her funeral. That's my story. It's pretty short, but yeah, peace out. I need you tonight, forever's gonna start tonight.
Once upon a time I was falling in love, now I'm only falling apart. When I can do a total eclipse of the heart.